Hello! I'm here today with my fabric purchases from the end of 2018 that most of them arrived at the beginning of the year. So I thought I would share those and what I plan to make with some of them. I haven't figured it all out, but I thought I'd go through a few patterns I have in mind and also talk about this because it's something I'm working on. I just need to hem it and then slip stitch the bodice lining to the bodice. And it goes with something that I plan to make out of a piece of fabric that I bought. So let's begin with, we'll go with this dress. It is McCall's M6953. This pattern here. I made view A, as you can tell, and I used a fabric that I got from JoAnn's, which is like a polyester brocade, and the lighting isn't really showing you the texture and the colors of this fabric, so I can scoot this up or here. We'll just bring this up and move it out of the way. Sorry. This girl does not like to. We have this. I used two different types. So we've got this one on top, and then we have this sort of matching, it's ivory and gold. It's different sort of like textured pattern. And then I lined it with like a cotton, this guy. I lined it with like a ivory broadcloth. This is Oliver's bed. He's up there, watching me, judging me, telling me that this video is not good. So anyway, I was inspired to make this dress because I wanted a dress I could wear my wedding shoes with, and I have them here. They're these shoes. They're ivory with some gold and sort of like rhinestones. So I thought they'd be, if I made this little cocktail dress, I could wear these shoes. Which leads me to this fur that I bought from Fashion Wholesale Direct, sorry. It's FWD, and I didn't know what it stood for. So I have this fake ivory rabbit fur fabric. Okay, Oliver just jumped onto the table. Can't really tell, but it's just fake fur, ivory, and I thought, well, I'd make a cute little jacket to wear with the dress and the shoes. And so I have a couple of patterns in mind. One of them being Simplicity 8530. It would be this, kind of like a shrug. Or it would be a McCall's 7257, but like this version but longer, so it would be this view but with short sleeves, or maybe long sleeves. I'm not sure yet, but I was kind of envisioning it to be short sleeves. We'll see what I end up with. And once I do make that, I will have pictures of the entire outfit together with me wearing it. And like that. Okay, so some other fabrics, I keep dropping things. Some other things that I got from FWD. Most of it's boring because it's just, stop complaining. It's just crepe back satin, and I bought a few colors because I think that crepe back satin is really nice to line jackets with. So I have this silver color. I have this ivory color, which will be the lining for that jacket that I told you I was going to make with the fur. And this is a champagne color, so it's like slightly darker than the ivory. It's pretty decent quality. It's like only $3 a yard, which was good because I bought some other crepe back satin from the local fabric store, and it was like $9 a yard. So then I went online and saw this, and so I thought, okay, well, I can compare the quality and see if it's comparable, and if it is, and I'm ordering the $2.99 a yard stuff. And I have this plum color, which I'm going to use to line probably a black jacket. I have this pink. This is just for a cape I'm lining for my friend's daughter, so I wouldn't wear this color. It's not my color. So I got this pile of crepe back satin, and then the other thing I got from FWD is this green Ponte knit. It's thick, has some stretch. It's really nice. It's a nice weight, beautiful color. This was, can't remember how much it was a yard. I'll put it below in the description box. It doesn't have the price on this, but I got 2 yards, and it's really nice. So I'm pleased with this. This is the first time I've ever ordered from FWD. They have really good prices, so I would check them out, especially if you like crepe back satin like I do. So we can compare this crepe back satin that I got at FWD to the stuff I got at our local fabric store called Yardage Town here in San Diego. There's a few of them. They have like higher quality fabrics than our dear friends at JoAnn. Though now that I'm touching it, I do feel that this is slightly higher quality. I mean, you get what you pay for, right? Like, this feels more silky, and this feels more polyester, plasticky, to be honest. So, honestly, even though this is triple the price, you know, depending on how special the item is, for a nice coat, I think that I would spend $9 a yard and buy this over the $3 a yard fabric, because this just feels more luxurious. It feels more like silk, less like polyester. So I'm glad I'm comparing, because it does make a difference. Okay. Oh, and I got 4 yards of this. So I've got black, 4 yards of the black, 2 yards of navy. I got another like ivory color. Can't really tell. An icy blue color. I just realized that's because I got another like kind of ivory or white fake fur with some blue tones in it, which I don't have here, but I bought this to line it with. And that's what I got at the local fabric store for my crepe back satin spray. And then I went to JoAnn's over my holiday break, and I got this. It's like on clearance or something, this stretchy, it's got some stretchy polyester. It's a little bit sheer. She's stretchy. Oh my gosh. Oliver? You are a crazy man. So what I'm going to do with this is, pattern I'm going to make with this, dropping everything, crazy person, is I have the video of a dress I already made with it. It's the New Look 6301, which is that one. I think it'd be kind of cute as the fake or faux wrap dress, I should say. I have so many patterns, but I'm just using this one again. I don't know. Oh, and out of the Ponte, I have a couple of options because I've actually never sewn with knit Ponte before. I've got Butterick 6515, so I would do view A, and this pattern says that you can use a stable knit, though it does recommend wool blends, crepe, gabardine. Or I've got the Simplicity 946, the pattern hacking. So those are my two options for that green Ponte knit. So just keep those, give me your recommendations. All right, so continue to JoAnn. I have this. I had been looking at it every visit I went in, and I just bought it with my 50% off coupon. I'm going to try to make something out of the Berta January 2019 edition. It's this vest. Now it calls for like a jersey, a quilted jersey. I'm going to see if it's possible to use this fabric to make that vest. I don't know, it might be. If I don't think it will work, I will do a jacket or another vest, a different type of vest. But I really like this, and I got it also in ivory, like an eggshell color. This will be a jacket too. I don't know, it's so soft. It's a velvet actually, like a quilted velvet, and it's just so fun to pet. I couldn't help it. So these are what I got at JoAnn's, and then I went on to fabric.com to buy some material for a coat because I need a new black coat. And if I find something at fabric.com, I go and search for it on Amazon, because if you have Amazon Prime, you can order fabric that's sold and shipped through fabric.com, but not pay for the shipping. So I have, I don't know, 4 or 5 yards of this wool polyester blend, and it's textured. So this will be my coat, and I may line it in that plum crepe back satin. And the fabric, or I'm sorry, the pattern I have for that is this, and I can't find it because everything is crazy. Seriously, I think my cat took it. I think my cat took my pattern. I will show you because I'm sure it's under this fabric somewhere. Where is it? So this big thing of wool blend fabric that I'm gonna make a coat out of. And okay, next I have fabric from Vogue Fabrics that I ordered after I did that swatch review. I really liked a couple of their fabrics, so actually I found the pattern for the coat. I'm thinking View D. I ordered this on Etsy. I do a lot of pattern shopping on Etsy and eBay, and I found this, and I really like it. I really like the style of the coats, so I'm gonna try it and see, and I will put it on YouTube if all goes well, or if it doesn't go well. If it doesn't go well, then this man's coming out, the seam reaper. Reap what you sow. Okay, so last couple of fabrics are from the Vogue swatch book that I reviewed, and I'll link the video below in case you have not seen it. I have this crepe, polyester crepe, and it's only $4.49 a yard, and I got 4 yards, or 2. No, this was only 2. I got 4 yards of the other one, so I'll show you. It's teal and cream, and it is very pretty. And I think I'll make a dress out of this, a cute little dress. And I don't have a pattern yet for it. I mean, I have patterns, but I don't know which one it will be. And the other one is this beautiful, they call it a rose gold velvet. I think it's more mauve-y, but I can see why they call it rose gold, but it is beautiful. It's like metallic-y and fluid, and it's just got this amazing drape. It is just too good, and I want to make a jacket and a camisole and a skirt and a dress, but I only have 4 yards of it and it's only 44 inches wide, so I can't make all that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might order more. I don't know. I will figure it out and I will show you. I have too much fabric, not enough time. Have you seen that meme that goes around? It says fabric shopping and sewing are actually two different hobbies, and I totally believe that because I think I spend way more time buying and hoarding fabric and patterns and than I do sewing. But it's only because I don't have time. It's easy to just sit in the bathtub and be on your phone just going around ordering stuff from fabric.com or wherever than it is to be in here sewing. So yeah, that's what I bought. If you have any suggestions for me with the fabric and some patterns that I can pair, I'd love to hear it. And Oliver wants to leave the room now, so